Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn on private browsing in Google Chrome. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to turn on private browsing in Google Chrome. So let's get started. So guys, to turn on private browsing, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. So in Google Chrome, you can see three dots at the top right corner of the page. Click on three dots. So in this option, you can see the option of new incognito window. So click on it. So guys, this is your private browser. Here you can see you have gone incognito. Now you can browse privately and other people who use this device won't see your activity. However, downloads, bookmarks and reading list items will be saved. So Chrome won't save the following information: your browsing history, cookies and site data, information entered in forms. Your activities might still be visible to websites you visit, your employer or school, your internet service provider. Now browse here something. Here I am going to open the inbox, my gmail.com. So search here something such as Facebook or Instagram. Now check the browsing history. Means check actually this saves our history or not. So click on three dots. Now here you can see in this taskbar there is not showing the option of history. So means the history that we have searched here was not saved. So guys, here you can see we have turned on the private browsing in Google Chrome. So you can also turn on the private browsing in Google Chrome by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.